Hiyer, you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique, and today I will be wallpapering this back wall in my bathroom using the paste the wall method with removable wallpaper from Graham & Brown. To do this, you're just going to need some wallpaper, and I'm using this really cool wallpaper, this crocodile black wallpaper. You're also going to need your adhesive, and I'm using the Romans wallpaper adhesive, a box cutter, a smoothing tool, a leveler, a rolling brush, a seam roller, a measuring tape, a pencil, and of course you're going to need the little plastic thing to put the paste in. So let's get started. I've already prepped and cleaned my wall, and I've already pre-cut the wallpaper strips. When you cut your wallpaper, you want to make sure that you cut it a few inches longer than the length of the wall. Right now I'm measuring out the width of the wallpaper onto the wall so that I can make my starting point line. You want to make sure that you make that line an inch shorter than the actual wallpaper width. And you want to make sure that that line is straight, so I'm using my leveler. And you want to make sure that that bubble is centered. And I'm using my leveler to make sure that the line is straight, and I'm using a pencil to make a very light line. And I'm going to match the wallpaper up with that line. Okay, so next you want to apply the adhesive to the wall. And this is a different method, I guess, from the traditional wallpaper. And as a disclaimer, this is my first time ever wallpapering anything. So I guess traditionally you would drench the wallpaper in the paste and then apply it to the wall. With this method, you paste the wall, and it's supposed to make removing the wallpaper much easier. And as a tip, you want to make sure that you apply this paste generously. That's something that I did not do, and I did have to go back several times and reapply the paste because I didn't apply enough initially. And if you get a little bit of excess paint on the wallpaper, this wallpaper is vinyl, so if you do get a little bit of excess on the wallpaper, you can just use soap and water and just wash it off. And you want to wash it off before that paste dries. So right now I'm about to apply my first strip of wallpaper. Whoop, girl, now don't fall now. And I want to make sure that I match the wallpaper with the line that my starting point line. And this was a little bit difficult. The wallpaper kept slipping down a little bit, and it was hard to make sure that the wallpaper was actually aligned with the line that I drew on the wall. And as I stated previously, I did not have enough paste on the wall initially, so this did take me a little while to apply this first strip. Yeah. Okay, so then you would take your smoothing tool and just try to smooth out any bubbles that you may have. And that's what I'm doing now. Trying to push the bubbles to the side so that they can lay flat. Now my phone did die in the middle of me filming this, but what you will want to do when you add your second strip is you want to take that seam roller and roll it over those seams to make sure that the wallpaper has a nice transition to the next piece of wallpaper so that it looks seamless. So yeah, this first piece was a little bit difficult. Yeah, and there I am adding more paste. So now, as you can see, I have my the wall wallpapered, and it only took me 3 strips for this back wall. I did have some wallpaper left over. And right now I'm just using the box cutter to cut off the excess trim. And I did this the first time without the smoothing tool, and I did not do it correctly. Like, I kind of cut a little bit too deep into the wallpaper. So I would suggest that you use the smoothing tool to make sure that your line or your cut is precise. And I just went around the perimeter of the wall and just cut off all the excess wallpaper. And I also used soap and water to clean up any paste that I had. Please excuse the way the phone looks. This is my first time using my ring light, and obviously I did not have the phone on the tripod correctly. I did see a few imperfections. Some of them I'm going to try to go back over and correct. Overall, I do think that the wallpaper looks pretty seamless. Yeah, it's still growing on me. It just looks out of place, but I feel like once I add my wall decor and the rest of my bathroom decor, that it will really pull everything together. Hopefully, we'll see. If not, I'll paint over it. But yeah, as you know, I post a video every Sunday, so come back. I don't think next Sunday will be my bathroom makeover, just because I'm not through with finding all of the things for the bathroom. But probably the Sunday after that will be the bathroom makeover. So make sure you come back, and if you like this type of content, please subscribe, like this video if you like this video. Until next time, peace out.